All right, Night Trader, ninth winner in a row. We had this scenario before. New equity peaks. Let's look at the trade list for this. The long side has become very easy overnight. There were 10 winners in a row, and then we had 3 out of 4 losses, and then there have been 9 winners in a row. Here is what the equity curve looks like, and this is with slippage and commission. Here is the performance summary. This is only going back to October, so trading one E-mini back to October, 49 out of 59, 83%, 2.17 profit factor. Here is the equity curve. It's one of our top strategies, and in the portfolio, we have strategies that do well that trade at night, and then other strategies that trade during the day. Because sometimes the trend happens at night, and sometimes it happens in the day, and sometimes they're happen in at both times and opposite of each other. So a lot more chop during the day lately, but our trend strategies are firing off today. Let's look at the other overnight strategy, E-mini S&P after hours. 4 out of the last 5 trades are winners. Last night plus 1,200. It's just the trade to take is to take those long trades at night. Now let's look at the rest of the trades. Cobra 3 right around break even plus 37.50. The S&P is already up 57 points. The big overnight gaps continue, and most of the movement is at night. Plus 440 in Cobra 3 E-mini NASDAQ. Right around break even in adaptive moving average. 60-minute breakout minus 37.50. Those are the trades in this workspace. Gapfill Master did take a short trade, and the last 2 days it's been profitable on the short side. Let's take a look at All Strategy Access 2. AT 2019 is plus 437.50. AT 2020 NQ minus 725s. And these two strategies we're watching, we're not trading, so those are just running in the background. Plus 1,000 on tick pullback. So nice trade on tick pullback. This strategy hasn't traded as much, but tick pullback NQ is up right at, you see, plus 975 intraday. All Strategy Access 3, Cobra Euro plus 243.75. Asia Gold 4 short, minus 525. And those are the only 2 trades in this workspace today so far. Gold, huge rally. Cobra Gold captured that in this workspace. You see the 575 profit target on Cobra Gold today. Huge up move in gold. Profit taking a little bit in crude oil. Opened up really high. This looked like a nice trade to take. The risk of another fast move to the upside was very minimal after such a huge move up. And so while it's scary to be long, we're above 25, and so consider trading crude oil again. And I believe that most brokers allow it. The margins are still higher. You might have to trade July, but that is a trade in crude oil. Most of the trades in crude oil have been down overall, but today is a nice day. And the reason they've been down is just the volatility's been big. So we will see if crude oil stabilizes at these prices. You have to wonder what really happened. Still have to wonder what really happened on that June rollover back here. On these trades, it looks like the biggest stop run of all time when the May contract went to minus 37, and most people aren't thinking in terms of negative prices, and for it to go to minus 37 looks like the biggest stop run of all time in retrospect. So those are the trades on All Strategy Access 4. Nice trades on Cobra, one of our top strategies. Cobra is very active today in many markets. All Strategy Access 5, and no trades today so far. Very low frequency setup in this workspace. So those are the trades so far today on May the 7th, right around noon Central.